everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Crystal. I'm Crystal, and today I'm making these ribs. Okay, I'm making them in my Instant Pot, so this is gonna be quick and easy. And I'm actually gonna do like a honey sriracha sauce. And I don't even know if people be putting that on ribs, but I be putting it on my chicken. I be making it at my house, and it be so good, y'all. So I said, let me try it. You know, I got this attached to food shirt. You can get one. So the seasons I'm finna be using are this onion powder. I'm going real light on the seasoning just because I already know I'm finna be doing my sauce jump off. So not gonna be really heavy on the seasonings. I'm gonna do this, some seasoning salt, and then I'm gonna do some garlic salt. Oops. And then I'm gonna do this black pepper. And that's it. That's it for that. I'm gonna toss it. Make sure they're all nice and well coated in my little, I guess I'll call it a dry rub. Hopefully barbecue people don't feel disrespected by me calling this a dry rub, but I feel like it's seasonings that's dry, and I'm like, I won't say rubbing it on it. Now I'm rubbing it with the spoon, but whatever. So I'm just going to make sure everything is nicely coated. If it feels like any spots is like missing, you could put a little more just to make sure it's good and covered. Double it back on a couple things just to make sure. And you want to put your trivet into your Instant Pot. Because that's what it says to do. Y'all know I be like half looking at recipes, so according to the portion of the recipe I will be following today, put your trivet in there. Now, that's good. That's coated. That's done. So this is your trivet. Even though if you have an Instant Pot, I'm sure you know this is what mine look like. So I'm just gonna put it in there. I am gonna show you guys a close up. Now, it said put liquid in there. I got this chicken broth, so I'm just gonna put that instead of just using regular water. I think it says some. I don't think it really said how much. I'm gonna say I just put about a cup and a half. That's what that looked like to me. About a cup and a half. Into my Instant Pot. Now it said to line the ribs with the big part facing out towards the thing. And I'm gonna let you see what this looks like. Don't worry, but go ahead and line it. I don't have a ton of ribs in here, so just try to make sure they all stay standing up. Which they're actually not giving me any issues right now with that. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, you're gonna just do it like that, where the fat, the thick ribby part is to the outside, like that. And then you're gonna put your top on. Gonna seal it. I'm gonna do pressure cook. You need to do it for 30 minutes. It said like 25 to 30 minutes for big back ribs, and then like 30 to 35 minutes for some other type of ribs. I don't even know. I got pork loin ribs, so whatever. I'm gonna just do 30 minutes. And so I'm gonna pressure cook that on high, and we'll be back, y'all. All right, you guys. So it's time to take the ribs out. Well, this part where you flip the thing and then Alright, you guys, so to make the honey sriracha, it's easy. All you need is honey, sriracha. That's it. You know your girl like to keep it real basic. So how much? Enough to cover your stuff. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'll try to maybe put some measurements for y'all in the thing. I don't know, what's up. Y'all know I don't measure nothing, so spin it like this. And you really just do it by taste, you know, like, oh, does this taste good? Like, does this taste like something I want to eat in my mouth? So like that. But I'm for real. I'll put measurements for real in the description. Y'all like, how you gonna measure it? You just squirting and stuff. How you gonna really know? I'm gonna make it up. I'm gonna be honest. But I have a gauge of like what I gotta do. You know? Like, that was like half a cup of honey. And this was like 2 tablespoons of sriracha. See? See what I did there? And it's amazing. Alright. I'm not gonna lie. These look different than what I anticipated. It's making me wonder if that recipe says something about putting these in the oven. Because that's what I'm finna do. Like, this don't look like no done rib. I don't know. What do I know? I ain't never made these before, so. But that's what I do. I make stuff for y'all that I ain't never made. Yeah, first-hand experience. Looks like it. Oh man, it's falling off the. Oh, it is done. Ooh, ooh, it is done. It just looks so suspect. It's done, but it looks very suspect. So, this is what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. Like this. This the ribs. This is where it fell off the bone. Look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna do like this. This, you know what? Let me line them up. No sauce wasted. Honey is not cheap. So I want to make sure I get maximum coverage. So I do like this. Wait. Oh, it's hot. There. Okay. So I'm going to do like this. Try to get a little like, I don't know. Do it like that. So there we go. Now I'm gonna pop these in the oven just to I don't have a reason. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna make anything up. I wanna taste it though. Let me taste it. Y'all, this is bomb. Oh, this is bomb. Oh, that's good. Y'all, that is bomb. I'm not gonna lie. It's so good. Okay, so anyways, that's basically it. That's all you really do. I put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes. Not for any reason in particular. They're definitely done. So I don't even know why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. Maybe to caramelize the sauce onto the ribs. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows why I do some of the stuff that I do. But that's what I'm doing. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Try these ribs because this is actually, like I said, it's really good. It's really, really, really good. I dipped it in that sauce and then I tasted it and it was amazing. Amazing. So, I don't got no weave. I don't got no makeup. I love y'all. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.